Hello everyone, welcome to Vasoul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing is, guys, is that if you want to learn online tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let me check out what's going on with my dear Sagittarius. Okay, the romance part, the career part, the relationship part, and the finance part. Okay, so take whichever part resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, like suppose you're interested in knowing about your career, then leave the rest of the parts and just go with the career part only. Okay, yes, and kindly help us to subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasoul Tarot Prediction, guys. Okay, yes, so yeah, we have got like two cards. Okay. Okay, romance, career, relationship, and let's check out what's going on with finance. Okay, this is for Sagittarius, guys. Okay, okay, so we have got two cards in your finance part. Okay, okay, so yeah, let me check it out what's going on with into your romantic love life. I think there is a karmic cycle which is coming to an end. Okay, so you're going through some karmic cycle. Okay, which is coming to an end. It's a major cycle which is coming to an end. Like almost most of the people are going through the same issues. Okay, right now. So into your romantic love life, something, I think something or someone you are cutting out. Okay, you're cutting out the communication and you are moving forward, thinking to cut, or I think you were into a no communication thing, or else you were trying hard to that person. Now you are moving on from that person, from that connection. Okay, you are cutting out something or someone for sure. Okay, and there is an ending of a karmic cycle definitely taking place for you guys. Okay, wow, so there has to be a solid decision made by you, and I think the solid decision is definitely there. There's, I think, in the past you have cutted out someone or something in the past, and I think there is a karmic cycle which is coming to an end, and there is some sort of, you're waiting for, you're at a crossroads where you don't know which path to choose, which decision you should supposed to take, and some sort of solid decision you need to make in the upcoming weeks into your romantic love life. Okay, that's a beautiful story which is going on right now for most of the people out there. I guess everyone is going through the same issues. Yeah, you are deciding to move forward, take an action to move forward into your life. Okay, so yeah, into your romantic love life. Now let's talk about your career related thing. You are regaining your power back, you are into your powerful mode. Okay, you are regaining your power back, you are regaining your leadership quality and your authoritative figure. You are, you are regaining your power back into your career life. And I think, there are few people who might be, shifting, buying a new house or purchasing a new house. There is a change in some sort of home environment for sure. Okay, so yeah, and there might be into your career life, you might be, shifting or moving out, changing up of a job, starting up of a new career, moving forward into your career, taking a decision to move forward in life when it comes to your career related thing, gaining a clarity about it. Okay, so that is definitely there, and you are definitely moving forward by taking an action towards certain decisions of your career life, okay, because whatever you were not supposed to do, now you were at the crossroads, now you have decided what are you supposed to do, okay. And now let's check out what's going on into your relationship. The people who are into relationship, you are having you are releasing a lot of confusion when it comes to this connection, okay, and you want a new beginning with this person, or the other person wants a new beginning. You might be taking a leap of faith, taking a risk, okay. Divine timing is at its play. You are having a high intuition level, but here is a difference that someone like universe is interfering into this connection, okay. So do not be confused, release all this stuck energy, okay. Yes, you have to be patient enough because you are going through some healing. I think you and your partner, whosoever is into a relationship, you guys are into separation right now, okay. And I think these things are coming to an end. Separation is coming to an end because there's a time of divine reunion, reconciliation will be taking place for you guys. You just need to wait for the right timing and release all the confusion and stuck energy when it comes to your romantic love life, guys, okay. Yes, Sagittarius. So this area is only for the people who are into a relationship, or who are into a relationship but in separation, or who are married, okay. So not for everyone of you guys, okay. Yes. Yeah, you are thinking, contemplating a lot. You are having sleepless nights, confusions about this new beginning, whether you want to take a risk with this person or not, whether you should move forward towards this person or not, or they should come towards you or not. But yeah, do not worry, because a lot of issues will be solved, because divine timing is at play, and there is a karmic cycle which is playing its role into your romantic love life and your relationship life, okay. And that's why all these things are happening, this confusion level, this transformation, this problems, this issues, whatever you are going through, okay. Yes, let's check out what's going on into your financial issues, okay. So you are removing all the obstacles. I think there might be an ending into your a major transformation, a major changes are happening into your financial life. So like, if in the past 7 years you were not really going on financially good with your career, okay, those things are happening, those things are coming to an end, and you will be regaining your power back, because you will be releasing all this stuck energy, okay. There's some major internal transformation, internal healing is taking place for you guys, okay. You will be removing all the obstacles which is coming on the way, okay, and this stuck energy will be released for sure, okay. Yes. So you are having new beginning into your love life. Karmic cycles are ending into your financial front as well. Transformation is happening into your financial front. Yes, you will be ending of some issues are coming. Ending of some financial issues will be happening, and new beginning, building up, your re-establishing yourself when it comes to your financial matters will be happening, okay. So do not worry about it, okay. Your financial is looking good. Your karmic cycles will be ending in the month of July, and in the month of August you will start regaining your power back. You will be focusing a lot on your career and your stability, and you will be just thinking how you want to build up yourself financially, okay. And that's a beautiful thing. There might be few offers of marriage might be coming for you guys, okay, whosoever is single, okay. Or there might be few changes into your home life as well, okay, like changing of a home, purchasing a new home, something like that also might happen, okay. Relocating to a new place might also happen, okay. So yeah, guys, and that's a beautiful thing, okay. So there are two cards, the Chariot and the Star, okay. Chariot is all about new victory, okay. So this karmic cycle is coming to an end, and a beginning of a new cycle, new life, new taking a risk when it comes to new life, moving towards a new life, okay. Moving from one place to another place, traveling might involve also, okay. You will be victorious when it comes to this connection or your financial matters. Okay, that is what universe wants to tell you. And the star is all about, moving forward, shining bright, taking a risk, regaining your power back, and moving forward in life. Okay, and that's a beautiful card. Okay, yes. So yeah, team up. Your business might, your business, if you're into business, if you're into job, there is some sort of team collaboration might happen for you guys as well. Okay, yes. So take a risk in your love life and into your financial matter. Your teamwork will increase, and changes in a home life will also happen, and your dream will be coming true. Yeah, there is a wish fulfillment card as well. Okay, so that is a beautiful thing. Okay, okay, so yeah, let's check out. So there are like 4 cards, but I'm taking all the cards. Okay, I don't know why, but yeah. Your first card, you're going through some internal healing, some karmic cycle is ending, major transformation. See what I told you. Okay, so you are going through some major healing process right now. Okay, there's some, you might be, universe is trying to convey messages through your dreams. Some of you in the Sagittarius energy might be getting some dreams, okay, in the night, and when you wake up, you realize this is not a dream, something like that. So universe is, trying to contact you through dreams. So pay attention to your dreams. Okay, you are reaching to a higher level of spiritual awakening. Okay, so the universe is trying to connect with you when you are into sleep, when you are traveling somewhere. So universe try to communicate with you through numbers, through messages, through random, something random appears. That is why universe, try to, convey you from. Okay, so sometimes I think whatever feelings you have about this connection, about this person, you actually, suppress it. You don't actually share it. You actually try to suppress it. Okay, you don't like to share it. You keep it within yourself. You just keep on thinking on, but you don't share it. That's your problem. Okay, and 10 is all about completion. So your major cycle is coming to an end. Okay, this karmic cycle is definitely coming to an end, because most of the people are going through the same karmic shit. Okay, yes, half of the Sagittarius might be dealing with a third party situation. So if you are dealing with a third party situation, or you are the third person in the third party situation, then the third person, whosoever is in your connection, okay, the third person in the connection, will be losing this connection. Like if you are dealing with third party situation between you and your partner, then the third person might get removed automatically from the universe. Okay, so whosoever is in the third party situation, that person will be removed. Okay, with the help of universe. Okay, so do not worry about it. And that's the thing going on. Lot of issues are going on with you. So yeah, do not worry about it, because this is happening with most of the people now. Okay, so relax. So the healing messages are from the universe. For healthy, joyous life, I effectively communicate my feelings to others, whether I am happy or not. The second healing message for anger. Things that have been out of balance will soon be back in balance as I remove confusion and gain greater clarity in my life. Order will be restored. Okay. The third healing message for fear. My feelings are part of my intuitive guidance system. They are my great strength that help me to make the best choices in life. So trust your intuition level. I am seeing in the reading that you will be focusing into your stability more. You will be back into your own power, whatever you are supposed to do. You will be focusing more on your career level. Like you will be very serious. Okay, hardcore serious, to bring a lot of financial stability into your life. Okay, you will be moving forward into your life. Okay, you'll be taking a risk into your love life and in the relationship. You, and also when it comes to your career, there has to be, there is some sort of, team up and collaboration will happen into your financial life, into your financial front. In the romantic life, you will be cutting off to someone. Okay, and you will move ahead towards a new beginning. You, in the career life, you will be switching up of a job. You'll be switching up of a business, some sort of changes into your home life and also into your work life might happen definitely. Okay, so changes in the ambience, changes in the wherever you are sitting, so some sort of changes in the workplace might happen. Okay, into your relationship, there will be a new beginning. A relationship of new beginning means if you will be releasing all the confusions, all the, you'll be releasing all the confusions. You'll be patient enough and taking a risk to move forward in life. Okay, and into your financial front, you will be, some sort of work mode will be taking place for you, like some sort of important commitment will take place. Okay, when it comes to your financial matters. Okay, so do not worry about it. It's all happening. Whatever confusion, problems, anxiety issues, depression issues, whatever is you are going through, those are happening because there is a karmic cycle. You are at the last stage of this karmic cycle. Okay, so not just you, everyone is, whosoever is going through karmic cycle, everyone is facing the same issues. Okay, so do not worry about it, guys. Okay, so this is not just you, everyone out there is facing the same issues. Okay, and one important thing, guys, is that kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you want to, book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. And if you want to learn online tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Thank you, guys.